So I made my first game. Yeah, I made my first video game. Thanks to Nintendo. Nintendo did a lot of great things. They literally gave us a video game software that we can create games. Like, bro, that's fire. I know this takes like the dream aspect, just like in the PlayStation side, but like I seen dreams, but I don't have a PlayStation console, so it's like I want to try dreams, but I can't. But now Nintendo, they released something like this, and hey, Game Gear Garage. God, okay, Game Gear Garage, the place where you can create video games by Nintendo. So yeah, you can create your own stuff on here, which is very good. And I even created my stuff as well, and that's kind of fire too. Because I always wanted to be a game designer, so I finally had the chance right now in my free time. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it as a career right now because oh man, I'm dying slowly. I'm just thankful that Nintendo like did something like this, because this also reminds me about the Flipnote Studio era as well, because like that's kind of what led me to draw a little bit, was the Flipnote Studios. That's why I like the art so much, because like there's just a lot of art going on in Flipnote Studios. Yo, if you remember Flipnote Studios, yo, leave a like. But yeah, let's get into my creation. I know I've been staring at the screen for like a long time, but yes, this right here is all the stuff that I've been doing. And you're probably wondering, what is all of this? Well, the game that I decided to create is kind of a 2D shooter. Not a 2D shooter like space shooter, but it's more like something like Mega Man. So I got the player, he's equipped with a gun. You're gonna hear sounds because this is just how it's structured. There's a little bit of lag because there's a lot of nodes. So yeah, so you got, let me just, all right, so you got the laser beam. This is the, like some type of laser. No, I know, it looks like a teardrop. I tried, okay? My pixel art is not that great, but you know, I tried. That's what matters. I also made the gun. Now, the gun that I made, that joint is fire. I'm telling you, man. I tell you, when it comes to art, I think I'm a little bit of an artist, you know? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at this gun. I drew this. I drew this. That's right. I drew that. I drew that. That's what's up. Does that not look like a gun to you? It looks like a gun to me. Got the person here. He's holding some type of stick. That's the gun. That's supposed to be the gun. The gun is all the way up here. I don't know why it's all the way up there. It doesn't matter. It's linked to it anyways. So yeah. So in this game, you got like a different nodes. You got constant nodes. There's literally some math going on here. Constant means it's going to stay fixed at that same number no matter what. And the map, I have no idea what I used the map for, but yeah, I also did a lot of good stuff. I made some type of camera movements and stuff. I tried my best to have the camera, because I didn't want the person to be in the middle of the camera, because when you're going on like Mega Man, you have to be a little bit to the side so you can see what's ahead of you. So yeah, so I had the camera where like wherever direction the character or the player is facing, the camera's gonna like not zoom out, but it's gonna like move to like the right or the left, depending on where the character is facing. Just a little bit, not all the way to the left or the right, but just a little bit, where you can like see what's ahead of you, instead of you just being plain in the middle, and then you don't know what you're getting hit from, you know? So I did that part. That's what's over here. This is what's over here, and that's connected to the camera as well. So yeah, there's a lot of nodes. I've been doing this for like around 3 days now, and I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of stressful in a way, because like I'm not very good at problem solving nor math, but I try my best, and this is what I got from everything. I put some music here for some sound effects for the laser shootings. The touch sensor. The touch sensor is for like I was doing this project for the touch sensor, and this is what I got from here. The touch sensor allows the player to like it allows certain enemies to fire at the player at a specific location. So like this touch sensor right here, I have it so where this bear, the flag, and like if the player is not over here, the bear will not shoot. The player's not over here, the bear will not shoot. Only if the player touches this, literally the sensor. This transmitter right here, it'll transmit the signal all the way to here, which is E. I have E as for the cannon thingy. the cannon node, the launch node, and yeah, it'll send that signal, allowing the bear to shoot. So yeah, this is my setup, and this allows to basically for whatever direction the bear is facing to shoot at the player. Yeah, I was gonna make the bear move like back and forth, but I don't know, this game is kind of like, I don't know, like I feel like this type of software is kind of limiting at some things, but like there's some things I'm still trying to figure out, because I was trying to get this yeah, I was trying to have this bear have like a life system where if you hit it like 10 times it'll be destroyed, but for some reason the game would not allow me to do that. So I had to just like say, all right, it's gonna get hit by one shot, so it's like, all right, so let me just add a bunch of enemies that's just standing plainly out of nowhere. So yeah, so I mean, it's a lot of work, and I'm already at my node on limit, so I can't really add much to it. I am pretty excited to show y'all what I've done, but I'm still gonna go on what the process of this was going. All right, now here is this other step right here. I have this UFO. This UFO is gonna be moving left and right depending on the player's location. So it's gonna be shooting launch objects like this spear as like a laser, and as the player is walking left or right, the UFO will follow the player left or right, whenever the player is at. Just yeah. So I use the same code for this, but just in different wording. And I had to use like say this touch sensor, right? The touch sensor right here, just like how that over here, the flag, I put the flag there, so that's if the player is over here, the UFO will trigger the move, and also the moving object. So I'll put that over there, and yeah, over here, and it's gonna like I think that's the speed of what the UFO is moving in, because I did do that. And I'll put a constant somewhere here. Yeah, I'll put a constant right there to make the UFO not move that fast, because the UFO, it literally like it just launches itself. It doesn't stay at the place. Like I put the constant there, like it just moves. I don't know where the UFO was at, but the UFO will just literally, it will literally, once the player step on that the touch sensor node on, the UFO will literally zip and it'll go towards the back. So I had the UFO, like this is where the area is being taken place. This is where the player is gonna be running, and this little tiny square right here. And I had the UFO in the background with some trees and stuff shooting at the player. You can see how cool it looked. It's literally cool. I got some UFOs and stuff and aliens. It's literally an alien invasion game that I'm making. So yeah. And what I've done here for this number object, I have it where I block the player's path with a number object. So I was trying to make a life system, but that did not work, unfortunately. I'm still trying my best. Hey, if you know how to do these things, hey, hit me up, because I would like to know. You can DM me on Twitter. You can literally DM me on Discord. I have a Discord server. I joined the GameGuarage Builder Discord. So hey, hit me up, LieutenantSwerv. Hey, I want to know what's good. I want to know, because I'm really excited to do all these things. So I'll put the constant there. The constant is at 10. This is how much you gotta hit the box, which is the destroy object. And once that number reaches, the destroy object will trigger and it will break the box. Boom. It's the counter. It's gonna count one step by step. And then I have the button over here. No, that's not the button. It's over here. This button right here is the A button. This allows the character to kick it. I didn't want the character to shoot the box, because then that'll be a little bit too easy, because you're already shooting aliens and stuff. I was trying to have the person shoot. I was trying to have the person shoot, not shoot, but kick the objects over here, but that's a lot. I don't mind being a lot, but it was like, oh shit. And I was already at my node on limit. The node limit is literally 512, and I wasted it on trees just to make the environment look a little bit spooky and stuff, because there's this alien invasion. So the main story of this, oh wait, let me go back to the thing. So yeah, you got the box over here. You got the box. You're gonna be like, hey, yay, you broke the box, good job, right? And then Once the UFO's gonna be chasing you, you'll be like, I'll put a touch sensor here to make the heartbeat and stuff, to make the player seem like, oh gosh, is he gonna make it or not? And then the UFO gets destroyed by this destroying object, and then boom, you survive. And then it's gonna play the little yay, and it's gonna have the party poppers, and then you're just gonna go out of your way, go some trees. Now, if the character dies, you already know what sensor we using. If the character dies, it's gonna restart. This is right here, player object. I mean, not player object, but object break. I'll put it as person failure. It's gonna wait 3 seconds, and it's gonna retry. And then the same thing with I did the same thing for the enemies and stuff. Right here, you go right here. I'll put the object break. Just check what UFO, alien, sorceress, and bear. Because when you destroy those things, I want it to have an effect called damage, so that it gives off you know, just a good pow, you know, a good punch, you know. Yeah. You know. Gotta give it that pow, 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 pow. But there's one thing I want to fix though. I want to fix this to box. Whenever the player is hitting the box, it's gonna make that pow sound. I don't know how would I implement that, but I guess it's all right now because it already does that pow, 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 boom. But I guess we can give it a little bit of a, All right, let's test that out. Let's test that out. I'm gonna make another prayer object break. This is separate for the box. Now, where is it? State change, object break. I want to do this for the box. Now, I can only do this for the box for right now. I only got a few nodes left, so I don't know how much will this take up. But yeah, I got special objects, effects, explosion. Ooh. Okay, I want that explosion every time the box breaks. All right. Now the box, not the cylinder, but just the box. The box. I'm gonna keep saying the box, and then it's gonna play a little sound. So what I'm gonna do is it's gonna like every time you're hitting that, or like if you just break the box just is just the box. All right, I'm gonna put the logic and. As if I'm doing this right. As if I'm doing this right. No, I'm not doing this right. You see where this is going? You know what? No, I don't even have to do all of that. Because it connects to both. Alright, just get the sound. The BGM. No. Sound effects. Sound effects. We need to have it where it gets like a... Let's see. I don't like that sound though. Let's give it some collision, you know? Yeah, like that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now we're just gonna add those to here. Over the box. Play. Trigger. And let's see how it goes. Let's play the game. So here we have the character. He's in his house watching TV. He looks outside. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, the sky is black. Not literally, but you know, I got the little lasers. I got the gun on his back, the gun on his stomach. I think I have to start this over because I was too slow. All right, let me just restart that and just go. Got the Joy-Con right there. And I got some space aliens ready. So let's go. I like these trees, the neon look. It makes it look like that Baldi game, but everything is in 2D, but it's not. It looks 2D, but it is 2D. Like, see, now you got the shooting at you and stuff. Got the UFO shooting at you, and now you just gotta. Ooh, and I died. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's do that again. Yeah, that give it a little bit of spice. I like that. Oh, see, you can break the spears with your shots as well. That's kind of broken, but you can't kick the enemies though. So if you're gonna be playing. And sometimes that UFO does not appear sometimes. I've been trying to fix that. It's just how... It's probably the box. I had the UFO on top of the stage. I had it on top of the stage before, but it got broken. So, yeah. So here you go. The UFO, you survive. That's the game, guys. That's the game. I went through also like tutorials and stuff. I'm gonna show these off in the next video. I'm sure there's many videos that done all of these already, but this Pokemon Ditto Assault, that's good. But yeah, this is my platformer. I'm still trying. This is just my stage, my testing stage or something like that. I was testing collision and stuff and that other stuff. But yeah, guys, I made my first game, and I'm gonna be streaming a lot of stuff like this as well. Be doing the pro processing thing, and yes, the whole processing thing is slow, so like my brain will get fried. My brain gets fried. It took me 3 days to make this game because I was still trying to get used to like how do I like just make the game. Literally, like what inputs do I make and stuff. Why am I here? I will be uploading this game right now. I'm gonna write that off. I'm gonna share it with y'all. Alien Invasion Escape, made by LieutenantSwerv. Updated. This is my first game. It might not be perfect, but hey, it's still fun to make. So that's the point. There's my code. That's me, the programmer. And yeah, guys, share on a social network. I'm not gonna do that right now. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you join the Discord, subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, enjoy. See what y'all can make. I'm excited. The fan base, not the fan base, the community of GameBuilderGarage is very, very good. You got very good, talented people out there. You know, I can't wait to see what type of creations y'all can make. Also for myself as well. I didn't know I was gonna make all this, but hey, it looks fire already, man. But yeah, I see y'all in the next one, probably on the World's End Club or whatever game that I'm gonna be playing. I'm thinking about streaming on Twitch for like more games like Final Fantasy and like stuff like this. I'll be streaming on YouTube. Hey, it's just for the, you know, I gotta branch out somewhere. But hey, see y'all on the other side. Peace.